Have you ever planted a zucchini that grew into a huge, beautiful plant, but gave you only a few tiny fruits? The leaves looked healthy, the stems were thick, everything seemed perfect, yet week after week, the harvest never came. If that sounds familiar, you're far from alone. Many gardeners believe the secret to growing bigger zucchini starts with fertilizer later in the season, but experienced gardeners know the biggest mistake actually happens before the plant even goes into the ground. There's one simple ingredient that can completely change how your zucchini grows from the very beginning. Miss this step, and your plant may spend the entire summer struggling to catch up. But add it to the planting hole, and you'll build healthier roots, stronger growth, and a much better chance of harvesting armloads of delicious zucchini. Welcome back to Senior Garden Advisor. I'm glad you're here. Today, I'll show you exactly what to put into every zucchini planting hole, why it works, and a few simple planting secrets that can make an incredible difference all season long. The best part? It doesn't require expensive fertilizers or complicated gardening tricks. It's something many experienced gardeners have relied on for years. Let's dig in. Before we reveal the secret ingredient, it's important to understand why so many zucchini plants struggle. Most gardeners focus on what they can see above the soil. They water the leaves. They feed the plant after it begins growing. They worry about flowers and fruits. But the real success of every zucchini plant starts underground. During the first few weeks after planting, zucchini builds an enormous root system. Those roots become the plant's entire support system for the rest of the season. Healthy roots absorb water more efficiently. They collect nutrients faster. They help the plant survive hot summer afternoons. And they support the rapid fruit production zucchini is famous for. If those roots become stressed early, the entire plant can stay behind for weeks. Even if you fertilize later, it often never fully catches up. That's why planting day matters so much. You're creating the foundation that determines how the plant performs for the next 3 or 4 months. Now here's the secret many longtime gardeners swear by: finished compost. Not fresh kitchen scraps, not half-decomposed yard waste, fully finished, dark, crumbly compost. Adding 1 to 2 generous handfuls of finished compost directly into the planting hole gives young zucchini roots exactly what they need during their first critical weeks. Compost isn't just fertilizer, it's actually one of the best soil conditioners you can add. It improves sandy soil by helping it hold moisture longer. It loosens heavy clay so roots can spread more easily. It feeds beneficial soil microbes that naturally help plants absorb nutrients. And because compost releases nutrients slowly, it provides steady growth instead of one quick burst followed by a crash. Think of it like preparing a comfortable bed before welcoming a guest. Healthy roots settle in quickly when the soil is rich, loose, and full of life. That early comfort often leads to stronger plants and much heavier harvests later in the season. But here's something many gardeners don't realize. Adding too much compost can actually become a problem. More isn't always better. In the next section, I'll show you the perfect amount to use, exactly how to mix it into the soil, and another simple ingredient that many experienced gardeners quietly add alongside compost for even healthier zucchini plants. Now let's prepare the planting hole the right way. Start by digging a hole that's about twice as wide as the zucchini's root ball and slightly deeper than the pot it's growing in. A wider hole encourages young roots to spread outward instead of circling in one small area. Next, add 1 to 2 generous handfuls of finished compost to the bottom of the hole. Now comes the step many gardeners skip. Don't leave the compost sitting in one layer. Instead, mix it thoroughly with the surrounding garden soil. This creates a smooth transition for the roots as they grow. If you leave a pocket of pure compost, the roots may stay in that rich area instead of spreading into the native soil. Mixing everything together encourages a stronger, wider root system. There's one more ingredient that many experienced gardeners quietly add at planting time: a small handful of worm castings. Worm castings are one of nature's gentlest soil amendments. Unlike strong fertilizers, they won't burn tender roots. Instead, they provide a slow, steady supply of nutrients while introducing beneficial microbes that help plants absorb water and minerals more efficiently. Just a small handful mixed into the soil is enough. You don't need large amounts. In fact, zucchini grows best in balanced soil rather than overly rich soil. This brings us to one of the biggest mistakes gardeners make. They pour large amounts of high nitrogen fertilizer into the planting hole, hoping for faster growth. At first, the results look impressive. The leaves become huge, the plant turns deep green. But a few weeks later, many gardeners wonder why they still have very few zucchini. Too much nitrogen tells the plant to keep making leaves instead of putting energy into flowers and fruit. The goal isn't the biggest plant. The goal is the biggest harvest. Healthy soil always beats heavy fertilizer. Another mistake is planting zucchini too deeply. Unlike tomatoes, zucchini should be planted at the same soil level it was growing in its nursery pot. Burying the stem too deeply can trap moisture around the crown and increase the risk of rot. Once the plant is in place, gently firm the soil around the roots. Press just enough to remove large air pockets without compacting the soil. Roots need tiny spaces in the soil where both air and water can move freely. If the soil becomes packed too tightly, root growth slows dramatically. Now give the plant a deep watering immediately after planting. Don't just sprinkle the surface. Water slowly until the moisture reaches several inches below the soil. This settles the soil around the roots and helps eliminate hidden air gaps. After watering, resist the temptation to water again every day. Young zucchini roots actually grow stronger when they search deeper for moisture. Frequent shallow watering keeps roots close to the surface, where they dry out quickly during hot weather. Instead, water deeply whenever the top 2 inches of soil become dry. This simple habit encourages a deep, resilient root system that can better handle summer heat. There's one final step that ties everything together, and it's often the difference between an average zucchini plant and one that keeps producing basket after basket of fruit. We'll cover that next.